Welcome to Crypto Space Junk. Today I'll be looking at the Cronos US dollar price. I'm going to be looking more into the Cronos ecosystem. I'm backing it quite big now. I mean, they're sponsoring the World Cup in the summer, sponsoring Formula One. There's a lot going for it, and when you look how much growth there is compared to Binance in crypto.com, it's massive, and it's very interesting looking at the chart. This is a monthly chart, KuCoin Trading View. See, we had the big move in November. That'll probably be part of the burn as well. Now, we're left with an inside bar, which isn't surprising from this big move here to the left. And then we've come down and we've held around the 618 here. So if I do Fib here, so we're on this 618 around here, we have this indecision. And it looks like the algos keep buying in this area, the 618. So we've had 3 months where the price hasn't really moved up or down. This is massive indecision here. So we've been inside each month, so the price is getting compressed to the point that there's going to be a lot of volatility to the upside or the downside. I don't know which way it's going to go, but to me, I would definitely, within the next 2 days, and because I want to accumulate a lot of this. Why not this? Right, because I want to accumulate a lot more here, I think I'll transfer some money onto the exchange. And I'm going to put a buy order at the 27.17 there. Right on the 786 here. So even if I look inverted on here to the impulsive move down to the high, you could be looking at a price between 25 and 27 if we come down, which also you can see is the 20 EMA. Now, I'm not going to be concerned if this goes down to 25 cents. I'd be more than happy to pick up more. If you had the chance to buy Binance coin, BNB, at $1 again, you'd load it up. And I think this will probably be the low. And you'll never see this low again if it does come in. Which I'd expect, if it did happen, we'd get a tail come down on the 786, and the algos will just kick in, and all you would be a tail there. So it's not a million miles away. People think, well, it won't go that low, but it can. I'll show you here. If I measure the bottom of that close, or the open there, sorry, the bottom of this tail, it's 35%. So let's just say we close in and around this area now, in 2 days' time. And you measure down to this 786 or the 10% extension, that's about 30%. A 30% discount. Now, I don't believe it'll hang around in this area. If it did come down and it broke, let's say this closes as the inside bar and we broke below, this is going to be bought up by all the algos, all the robots, all the orders will be sat here. Now, what could potentially happen is we just go up from here and don't look back. We could blow up at the top, but we probably have a look where we could go if we weren't going to break below and we're going to break above. If I take an inverted move to the impulsive wave down, we could bounce up and hit this 72% of the 618 and then come down. Again, probably this being the ceiling, sorry, the floor. And a retracement of the impulsive wave down, and we're hitting we could go 83 cents, 786, 618. So probably worth taking profit in this area. Come down, retest floor around the 50 cents, 46 cents area. And this is on the monthly. I don't know if this is going to happen or not, but this could be one scenario, two scenarios that play out. We break below, the algos fill up on the 786. Put it back out there for you. I'll take the fib from the low here, the high, and as you can see, with 618, so we could touch down, hit the 786 around 27 cents, and bounce up. We hover around this area for a while. Or we break above and we see 72 cents to 83 cents. So we take the impulsive wave down. So this is a monthly time frame. And then we see 72 or 83 cents. And then we come back down and retest before going over $1. Now, on the shorter time frame, the weekly, the daily, we'll go to. Okay, let me remove this fib that I take on the monthly. So we can have a look on the shorter time frame where we're at. If I take from the low here, decent low. We're almost at a one-to-one retracement here. So we've hit the 886. Got what's known as a holy grail pattern, which could either break to the upside or the downside. But here it looks like we could make a move up, maybe test around this Bollinger Band here. So to measure that, do it inverted. So where that would be, so you take the impulsive move down, where this outside bar is, and that would be the 50% retracement of this move down. So we can see this 43, 45 cents area. So this is where I'm at with Cronos at the moment. I think I will put that cheeky buy order in at 27 cents. Just accumulate more. I'm not concerned on where we are with this at the moment in the short term. I bought some more today in this area, around 38 cents. If we start going up, we break out of here. Like I said, I can see it's moving up to 72 cents. If we look at just the previous structure here, come up and test this 68 here. 80 cents. Probably more than likely I'd go that we'd probably retest. So 68 cents. Just do an inverted and to see what fib that lines up with. So go from the high to the low. 68 cents there, bang in the middle of the 50 and the 618. Right, I don't want to make this video any longer. I hope this made sense to you. If you've got any questions, please ask. Comment below. And I'll probably be doing more Cronos ecosystem coins, especially when they start going onto exchanges, where I can probably bring them up on TradingView. I've played about with the DEX screener. Not so great that I can use my Fibs that I like to use on there, but we'll see. Anyway, thank you and goodbye.